Students, now I will be explaining about the listing of share today. Listing of share meaning explain ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ I will just give an example. See, in attendance book your name should be there. Okay, for that what you need to do? First you have to apply for a BBA course, then you have to pay the fees, you have to submit a document, then your name it will be automatically there in a attendance book. Listing of share is also like a process of admission of a company to the stock exchange. So if you want admission you need to apply. So come back to the meaning. Listing is a process of including a security in the official trading list of a stock exchange. So ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಪ್ನಿನ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೀಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And then once a stock exchange once the stock exchange establishes a continuous relationship with the company whose shares will be traded regularly. So if your company it will be listed in a stock exchange, stock exchange will maintain a relationship with the company. So it will maintain the name of the company in the securities which will be allowed for trading, and stock exchange will maintain the record in the same way only. The company whose securities will be traded should be agreed to the conditions. If you want admission you need to obey the rules and regulations. So if you are downloading an app you need to agree to the conditions. Like that only whichever company which wanted to list it in the stock exchange also they need to agree to the rules and regulation of a stock exchange. And once it has been agreed, company has been listed in the stock exchange, if it is done, after that if any price sensitive information will be there in a company, price sensitive information of the company should be provided to the stock exchange, like when they are going to arrange for a board of meeting, when they are going to arrange for an annual general meeting, when they are going to announce a final accounts of the company, if anything merger is going on, if the company want to take over another company, if any information related to the company which will be affecting the price of the equity share of the company, that they need to inform to the stock exchange. That's the duty of the stock exchange. So that's about the listing of the share. Next, come back to listing procedure. So what are the procedure they need to follow? So the listing procedure aims at ensuring listed companies to follow the guidelines. So every company, why the guidelines? To protect the interest of an investor. So to be listed in the stock exchange, what are the conditions they need? How the company can be listed in a stock exchange? What is the procedure to follow? So there are 7 steps. First is the initial public offer, size of public offer, filing application, payment of listing fees, signing the listing agreement, screening the application, listing of the share. So these are the steps for listing the shares. Next, we'll come back to one by one now. Listing of, so first step is the initial public offer. See, when the company first time offer a shares to the public, that we call as an initial public offer. Initial means first time. Public, they are going to offer their shares to the public. Anyone can buy their company shares. That is the initial public offer we say. So here the first step is the company should make a public offer of shares. The company should make its shares to the company should sell its shares to the public. That's the first procedure. First they need to go for first the company need to go for a IPO process, initial public offer process. Next, second step, size of public offer. Size of public offer means what is the size of that offer? What is the IPO size? It should not be less than the 25% of the issued capital. If the capital is 1 lakh, it should not be less than the 25,000. Okay, like that only. Whatever the initial public offer they are going in, the 25% minimum should be available for public. Okay, that we call size of the public offer. And meanwhile the paid up capital of the company after the public issue should not be less than 10 crore. After the initial public offer, after that also what is the paid up capital will be there in the balance sheet, that should not be less than the paid up capital of the capital should not be less than the 10 crore. So that's the second point. First they need to go for IPO, and then what is the size of the IPO. Then next it will be size of filling the application. So come back to they have to file the form, they have to take the form and they have to fill the form. And after filling the form, what all the documents they need to attach along with the filing the form. So first it will be the certificate copies of memorandum of association, article of association, prospectus, director's report, balance sheet, underwriting agreement, etc. So these documents also they need to all attach. And then specimen copy of share certificate, debenture certificate, then particulars of capital structure of the company, liability side, excluding current asset, how much is equity share, how much is the reserve, how much is the debenture, secured unsecured loans that they need to provide. And then statement showing the distribution of the share, how many now presently how many shares are there, that how many shares will be, who all are holding, okay, that they need, how many promoters are holding or anyone else, that they need to show it up along with that, the filing application. Next, dividend and bonus share issued during the last 10 years. If any, how much dividend have been issued from the last 10 years. If any dividend has been paid in the form of equity share, that is we called as a bonus share, that also they need to provide information at the time of filing the application. Next, particulars of shares or debenture to be listed. So now you are going for a listing of share. You have made an IPO. In that IPO, that related particulars of share or particulars of debenture, which one you have chosen or which one you are going, that you have to provide. And then history of the company, when the company has been started, when it has been in, when from the date of registration, that also they need to provide it. Then next it will be management pattern. So here management, who is the CEO, managing, what is the organization structure of the company, and what is the who will be leading the company. So that also they need to provide at the time of filing an application. And here I have given this much of documents only, and few more I have been one more photo is there that I will be sending after this. Next, after filing the application, what is the next one? So in the fourth step will be payment of the listing fees. You have made an application, you have filled the application, you have submitted the document. Along with that one, you have to pay the application fees also. That's the fourth step. Next, fifth step, signing the listing agreement. Made an application, paid the fee, then now you have to make an agreement with the stock exchange. Okay, you are going to agreement with the what is, so you need to that you are going to make an agreement with the company, with the stock exchange, saying that whatever the conditions will be there, that they are going to follow. What is the condition they are going to follow? Come back to, these are the conditions they are going to follow. First one, notifying. So whenever the board of meeting is going to be organized and date of meeting is organized, that they need to inform to the stock exchange. And then forward a copies of annual audited accounts of 5 year, final accounts of the 5 years copy they need to submit. And then notify the annual general body meeting, when they are going to organize, date of the annual general body meeting, and then agenda, what is the purpose of meeting. And then change in the capital structure, if they are going for issue of debenture share also, they need to inform to the stock exchange. Then notify subsequent issue of shares, including issue of bonus share. If there are additional share after this also, if you are going for issue of further shares to the public, that also you need to inform to the stock exchange. And if the dividend is paid in the form of bonus share also, they have to inform. Next, appoint the number of director as per the provision of Company Act or class 14 of the listing agreement. So whatever the Company Act of 1956, now it has been updated to 2013, and what is the listing agreement will specify how many directors will be needed as per the law, that much director the company need to appoint. So after signing the agreement, after paying the fees, you are agreeing that all the related information of all the company related information you are going to provide it to the stock exchange. That is board of meeting, general meeting, capital structure, share, any issue, subsequent issue of share, that information you are going to provide. Next, screening the application. Screening the application means you apply for a job. What the company will do, for example, they will see your qualification, they will see your experience. If your experience and qualification is matching with the job, then they will take it up. Otherwise, they will reject the application. Okay, if a BA person is apply for accounting job, they are going to consider? No, they are going to reject. Okay, So that process only we call it as screening the application. So here in the screening the application, they are going to whatever the document has been submitted, that they are going to check it up back. They are going to check it up how much it is true, like that. So here, which all the document they are going to check it up. First, article of association of the company, in that any if is it any containing any restriction on transfer of share, that they are in the article of association ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ IPO ಪ್ರಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸಲ್ಲಿ IPO ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹೆಸರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ 10 days ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 10 daysಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ, that they are going to check it up. Then listing should be done within 10 weeks from the date of closure of the subscription list. ಏನು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್, ಈ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ? ವಿತಿನ್ 10 weeks ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಬಂದು ಆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 10 weeksಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇರ್. ಸೊ 6 points ನಾನೇನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ: IPO, ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೀಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇರ್. ಈ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿನ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ if the company satisfy all the conditions, then the name of the company, it will be included in the official trading list of the stock exchange. After that information they are going to provide it to the member and as well as the media. So this is a new company has been listed in the stock exchange, that they are going to provide it to the stock exchange member. So this is officially included, and then they are going to send it to the media. The media also they are going to send it. So these are the procedures they need to follow. The company need to be listed in the stock exchange. Thank you.